Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about crystals. I'm a crystal healing practitioner and would like to definitely introduce you to crystals. Crystals we also call as gemstones. These are semi precious stones which really connect with your body. Crystals are the source which unblocks the energy in your body. They heal your body and mind and balance the energy. It helps in balancing the chakras also. You must have heard about the chakras, the seven chakras. So, crystals are the infinity of healing. It is a stress buster and the spirit lifter. It is a reconnector. It connects your mind and your body with the whole universe and gives the positive energy to your body. So let's start today to understand what is crystal, or you can say gemstones. You can go for any of the three ways: by your zodiac sign, that is astrological, by numerological, or by modern style. As per zodiac, you can go with the crystals which fall in your zodiac sign. As per numerology, there is some calculation. As per that calculation, you can buy any of the crystals to heal yourself. And as per the modern birthstones, you have to go for the month. In whichever month you are born, that is going to be your birthstone. Anybody cannot wear crystal or gemstone. A person wearing crystal or a gemstone has to get connected to it. So you have to connect with your crystal before buying. If you touch the crystal, you will realize the crystal which is suitable for you is connecting with you. The moment you keep it in your hand, it connects to your body. We can wear crystals as per zodiac, by month, or numerology and heal all our chakras and produce all the positive energy in our body. If you want to know which gemstone is suitable for you, I would definitely like to help you. For that, please comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.